Conrad Manila, the iconic architecture and luxury haven inspired by the impressive vessels that traverse Manila Bay. With 347 guest rooms, dining, and meeting options, Conrad Manila is dedicated to serve our various market segments in good times and amid challenges. The health and safety of our guests and of our people are our highest concerns. From check-in to check-out, our promise is to deliver a high level of reliable and friendly service with added confidence of global hygiene practices to keep everyone safe. Conrad Manila proudly offers the Hilton Event Ready and Clean Stay, designed to create event experiences that are clean, flexible, safe, and socially responsible, from redesigned event spaces to innovative technologies resources to inspiring food. Navigating back to the new normal, Conrad Manila is ready to offer more than 2,400 square meters of flexible function space, two pillar-less ballrooms, and meeting rooms for any occasion. Then and now, Conrad Manila's F&B dining areas have remained the premium market's restaurants of choice, offering innovative and savory menus for every season, every milestone. At Conrad Manila, our brand promise is never just stay inspired.
As we welcome you back to our hotel, we are committed to providing you with a safe environment that aligns with expert protocols. Our Marriott Cleanliness Council is redefining our cleaning and safety standards. Starting with our public spaces and high traffic areas, we are going above and beyond our normal protocols. We are cleaning surfaces with increased frequency. Hand sanitizing stations are being installed at hotel entrances, at our front desks, our elevator banks, and meeting spaces. Signages are available to remind guests to maintain social distancing protocols. Reduced seating capabilities according to the local laws and government regulations, and frequent disinfection of high-touched areas. Our mobile technologies provide reassurance and distancing options for our guests. We are working with our experts on Marriott's Cleanliness Council to develop role-specific training for hotel teams with frequent guest contact. We are ready to welcome you.